Hi, today I am here to share with you the Logbook solution of applications in the Tulip Industrial Operations Platform app library. In this solution of applications, we have 4 applications as shown on the screen here, which are available to you through the app library website. The first of the applications, the Logbook Guided Entry Workflow, is an application that guides an operator through equipment setup, retrieval of material, and production operations, going beyond the standard logbook application use case and including some processing as well. At the end of this application, a logbook record is generated, which will be utilized by the other applications. In our second application, we have a basic activity tracker, which allows for tracking of individual events directly into the logbook. Our third application is a task tracking application that shows an example of a facility being cleaned. In this case, the application guides an operator through disinfecting and cleaning and generates a full detailed time-stamped logbook based upon the actions completed. Lastly, we have the Logbook Viewer, which combines all the other applications, shows entries that have been recently created in the logbook, and also has a review process additionally. Again, if you're interested in utilizing these applications in your facility, please visit the Tulip App Library website on our website, which is included in your Tulip subscription. To configure these specifically to your operation, please contact your Tulip point of contact and we will work with you in that regard. Thank you very much for watching.